Our today's topic is about singular and plural nouns. First, let's have a look at what do you mean by a singular noun. Singular noun means a noun that denotes one person or a thing is called a singular noun. Okay, only one. And plural noun means a noun that denotes more than one person or thing is called a plural noun. Okay. So plural noun means more than one. Now we'll have a look at formation of plurals, how they are formed. Various rules are there. Okay, so let's have a look at them individually. First rule is the plural of nouns is generally formed by adding s to the singular. Okay, for example, look here, bag is a singular form. When we add s to bag, it becomes bags. That is the plural form. Desk, desks. Goal, goals. So you saw how plural is formed by adding s to the singular. Now let's have a look at the second rule. Nouns ending in s, sh, ch or x form the plural by adding es to the singular. So let's have a look at some examples. Okay, have a look. First, it is gas. It is ending in s. So we are going to add es to make it plural. So it became gases. Class is ending in double s. Again, es is added to form its plural. So it became classes. Now to form plural of branch. Branch is ending in ch. So we are going to add es, branch, branches. Next, bush. It is ending in sh. To form its plural, we are going to add es, bush, bushes. And the last one, you can see it's fix, ending in x. So again we have to add es to make it plural, fix, fixes. Okay? I hope you have understood. Let's go to the third rule. Most nouns ending in o also form the plural by adding es to the singular. Okay? For example, volcano. It is ending in o. So we are going to add es to form its plural. Volcano, volcanoes. Similarly, echo, echoes. Cargo, cargoes. So just try to follow these rules and you will be perfect to form plurals. Let's have a look at fourth rule. But few nouns ending in o form the plural by adding s. Okay, for example, piano. It is ending in o, but we are not going to add es. We are going to add s here. Piano, pianos. Similarly, commando, commandos. Photo, photos. Okay, the fifth rule, nouns ending in y and preceded by consonant form their plural by changing y into I and adding es. So you have to remove y and you have to add ies. Okay? For example, lady. Lady is ending in y. So y is removed and ies is added, forming it plural as ladies. Okay? Before y, consonant d is there. Similarly, city, cities. Story, stories. Okay? Okay, let's move ahead to another rule. The nouns ending in f or fe form the plural by changing f or fe into v and adding es. So we are going to add ves, removing f or fe. So let's have a look at these examples. For example, loaf. It is ending in f. So we are going to remove f and add ves. So it becomes loaves in its plural form. Look at another example, knife. It is ending in fe. So FE will be removed and VES will be added, making it plural as knives. Similarly, shelf, shelves. But remember, nouns like dwarf, scarf, hoof, and wharf take either S or VES in the plural, such as dwarf, dwarfs, dwarves. Either S is added or VES is added. Scarf, scarfs, scarves. Similarly, hoof, hoofs, hooves in its plural form. Wharf, wharfs, wharves in its plural form. Either S or VES is added. Okay? Okay. Also, some nouns ending in F or FE add S. For example, handkerchief, it is ending in F, but S is added to form its plural. Handkerchief, handkerchiefs. Proof, proofs. Okay, now next rule is irregular nouns form the plural by changing the inside vowel of the singular or adding other letters. They do not follow any specific rules, so it's best to memorize them. Okay, so let's have a look at some examples. For example, foot. Vowel inside is double O. It will be changed to double E in its plural form, making it fit. So foot became fit, goose, geese, tooth, teeth, man, men, mouse, mice. Here in mouse, OU inside vowel is changed into I and one other letter C is added. So it became mice in its plural form. Okay? Okay, I hope you have understood till here. Let's move forward to another rule. Few nouns form the plural by adding en to the singular. For example, ox becomes oxen in its plural form, child, children. Okay? As you can see in children, with en, r is added. Okay? So sometimes it happens, other letter is also added with en. Ninth rule is some nouns have the singular and the plural alike. They are same. So let's have a look at these nouns. For example, deer in singular will be the same as deer in its plural form. Similarly, ship will be ship in its plural form. Species, species. Salmon, salmon. So such nouns you just have to mesmerize. 10th rule, some nouns are used only in the plural form. There is no singular form. For example, trousers, spectacles, scissors, thanks. They are just used in plural form. Okay? Okay, so the next rule is some nouns originally singular are now generally used in the plural. For example, riches, Anne's, Eve's. So originally they were singular, but now generally they are used in this plural form. Okay. Okay, now next point is that some nouns look plural but are in fact singular. Okay, so let's have a look at some of these examples. For example, electronics, news, measles, droughts, mathematics. You can see electronics. It is a singular form, but it is written as plural. S is added. Similarly, news is singular but is written as plural. Similarly, measles, droughts, mathematics, they are singular but are written as plural. Okay? Good going. Let's move forward. Certain collective nouns, though singular in form, are always used as plurals. Okay? For example, people. It is, though in a singular form, it is used for plurals. People means many persons. Similarly, cattle, poultry, police. Though they are in a singular form, they are used for plurals. Okay, next rule is a compound noun generally forms its plural by adding s to the principal word. For example, passerby. Here the principal word is passer, so s will be added to passer. In plural, it will become passers-by. Similarly, son-in-law. Here principal word is son. S is added to it, it will become sons-in-law in its plural form. Stepdaughter will become stepdaughters. Okay, next understand that many nouns taken from foreign languages have their plural form as nouns ending with us form plural by changing us into I or adding es. For example, octopus, it is ending in us. So, either removing us, I will be added means octopi, or es will be added to octopus, that will be octopuses in its plural form. Similarly, fungus will become fungi or funguses in its plural form, and cactus will become cacti or cactuses in its plural form. Right? So I hope you have understood till now. Okay, next rule is nouns ending with form plural by changing into a or adding s. So let's have a look at some examples related to this. For example, curriculum. It is ending in so either a is added, removing it will become curricula, or s is added to curriculum, making it curriculums in its plural form. Second example, medium, again ending in it becomes media in its plural form. Next point is nouns ending with on, form plural by changing on into a. So the examples are criterion. It is ending in on. So removing on, we will add a. It will become criteria. Automaton will become automata. So if you go through these rules thoroughly, there will be no confusion. Okay. So next point is nouns ending with ex or ix form plural by changing ex or ix into ices or adding es. Okay, so we'll have a look at examples related to this. For example, matrix. It is ending in ix. So either ices will be added or es will be added, making it matrices or matrices in its plural form. Second example, index. It is ending in ex. So we will remove ex and add ices, making it indices, or adding es, it will become indexes in its plural form. Next point is nouns ending with is form plural by changing is into es. For example, diagnosis. It's ending in is, so we'll remove is and we'll add es in its plural form, diagnosis. Pronunciation is almost the same, but the spelling changes. Similarly, analysis, is changing into es. Okay, moving further. Nouns ending with a form plural by changing a into ae or adding just s to it. So the examples are, for example, formula. It's ending in a. So either you'll add ae in place of a or just add s, making it formulas or formulae. Similarly, antenna will become antennae or antennas in its plural form. Okay, next, some nouns have two forms of plural, each with a somewhat different meaning. Okay, there are two forms of plural, but the meanings are different. Let's have a look at these examples. For example, brother. In a singular, it is only one, brother, but it has two plural forms, brothers and brethren. Meanings are different because brothers means sons of the same parent, and brethren means members of a society or a community. So you can see brother has two plural forms with different meanings, right? Another example, like index, has two plural forms, indexes and indices, where indexes means tables of contents to books and indices means signs used in algebra. I have tried to make this video in a simplified way to make you understand thoroughly and you do not get confused. I hope you are understanding it. Next point is, some nouns have two meanings in the singular form but only one in the plural. Okay. For example, if we talk about light in singular form, it has two meanings. Light means either radiance or a lamp. But in plural, lights means only one meaning it is having, that is lamps. Another example, powder. Powder means in a singular form, two meanings are there. Either it is a dust or a dose of medicine in fine grains like dust. But if we take its plural form, that is powders, it has only one meaning, that is doses of medicine. Okay? So you saw here how the word has two meanings in singular form, but only one meaning in plural. Okay? Okay, now let's move forward to the another rule, that is, some nouns have one meaning in the singular but two in the plural, vice versa of the previous rule. Okay, so let's have a look at these examples now. For example, manner has only one meaning in singular, that is method, but two meanings in its plural form, that is manners means either methods or correct behavior. Second example, quarter means fourth part in a singular form, only one meaning is there. But if we take plural of it, that is quarters, it has two meanings, fourth parts and lodgings. Okay, so here you saw that in singular only one meaning is there, whereas in plural form there are two meanings. Okay, moving forward, the next rule is that some nouns have different meanings in the singular and the plural. For example, advice in singular form it means counsel, and advices in plural form it means information. Both are having different meanings. Good in singular form it means benefit or well-being, and in its plural form goods means merchandise. So you saw they are having different meanings in singular form and in plural form. The meanings vary. Okay, next point is letters, figures, and other symbols are made plural by adding an apostrophe and s. Okay, and this apostrophe also shows the possessive form, right? For example, there are the same A's and I's in my name, Vaishali. So the first sentence, A's and I's, shows plural form by adding apostrophe s to the letters. Second sentence, there are two fives in her phone number. So we are adding apostrophe s to make plural of a number. Okay, next point is abstract nouns have no plural and they are uncountables. For example, honesty, anger, childhood, peace. So these are the abstract nouns. They don't have plural form. They are considered uncountables. But when such words do appear in the plural, then they are used as countables. For example, kindnesses, that means acts of kindness. They are considered as countables. Another example, angers. If it's taken as plural, it means instances of anger. Also, substances are uncountables. So they are not used in the plural form. For example, copper, iron, tin, wood. But when such words are used in the plural, then they become countables and meaning also changes. For example, copper, if it's taken as plural coppers, it means copper coins. Irons means fetters. Tins means cans made of tin. And woods means forest. So I really hope you have understood this topic thoroughly. So now it's time to check your learning. Okay, let's start. Okay, I have provided here one worksheet. Try to solve it yourself. Okay, I hope you were able to solve it. Let's discuss it. So, apple will become apples. S will be added. Plural of fish will be either fish or fishes. If you are considering different species of fish, then fishes will be considered. Child, children. Woman, women. And tooth, teeth. Okay, solve further. Pause the video and solve it yourself. Okay, I hope you have succeeded in solving it. Let's discuss it. So, goose becomes geese in its plural form. Mouse, mice. Orange, oranges. Box, boxes. Baby, babies. Knife, knives. Sheep, sheep. And pen, pens. I really hope my video was quite useful to you to understand this topic deeply. If you like my video, then do like, share, subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell button. See you soon with some another interesting topic. Bye bye till then.